Hey, it's John-Marc, and I'm excited to share this new lesson on teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little skunk. Cute! Skunk? No, they're stinky. No, I think they're pretty fun. Anyways, so if you have your pencil and some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. That was a stinky lesson. No, I didn't mean stinky. I mean a fun, cute lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you learn from this lesson is make sure you check out some of my old videos and see all the other cartoons, characters, line art, special effects, lettering, all over 300 plus videos I have. So make sure you check them out and make some comments, and I would love to hear what you think about them. Anyways, as always and always, I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.